Hello guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experience 10 year in office. Today I teach you how to use formula page break preview and how to use formula page layout. And you can see guys, first select Control A. You can see guys, and next click page break preview, but menu view, next click page break preview. You can see guys, page break 2-part page. You can click 3-part page, 3-part page. You can click 4-part page. This is a page break preview. And how to page layout used in Excel's. First Control Z, next click page layout option. You can see guys, page layout option use. You can see page layout options, page layout options. You can see guys, page layout options. You can see page layout option use. This is layout of page. You can see guys,